Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Chatrecruit. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So in this website, you won't need any experience and no joining fees, and you will earn your own terms. That means you can put how much you will earn a message, and you can calculate how much you will earn a day. So the website will take 30% commission on your earnings. So how you will register? So after you enter the website, you will click on register now and you will put your information, and then you will wait for them to accept your application. So they will ask you some things like your ID and about your language, and you will be good to go working with them. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.